All right, now we are going to start our step number 8. I know it says 7 here, but we're actually on 8, which is going to be our unique S-curve. Now this one's a little challenging, but I think we'll be able to do it, okay? So for starters, we're going to start with number 1, which is right here. We're going to click and hold with our mouse, and we're going to drag all the way out to here, okay? Once we get to here, we're then going to release our mouse. Now we're going to go to step number 3, which is all the way right here. What we're going to do is click and hold with our mouse and drag our handle out to here, okay? Once we get here, all right, what I'm going to do is we are going to hold Option on our keyboard and drag out to 6, okay? Now again, once I've gone to 3, I'm going to click, hold, and drag to 4. Now once I get here, I'm just going to keep holding with my mouse. I'm going to press and hold the Option key, and I'm going to drag that same dot all the way to where it says 6. Notice what happens is that it doesn't change the shape of my curve here, but it lets me adjust my next curve to be even wider so I can make it all the way over here. So that way, once I get to 7, all I need to do is click, hold, and drag out to 8. And notice how then I can stretch that curve all the way out. Now, before I let go of my mouse here, what I'm going to do is hold Option with my keyboard and swing this point over. Now, again, if you've already let go of your mouse when you've gotten to this point, let's say you let go right here, that's okay. All you need to do is hold Option on your keyboard and we can swing this point around where it needs to go for step number 10. Once we have dragged this handle all the way over here, we're going to then start moving our way back around. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to this point here, and I'm going to click, hold, and drag all the way up to 12 here, okay? Now, once I get here, okay, I'm going to let go with my mouse, and now I can start working my way back over here. Now notice, okay, notice as I go over here, I'm not able to make this curve because it's too big. So what I need to do is go back up to where it says 12 here, where we dragged this handle. I'm going to hold Option with my keyboard, grab this point here, and I'm going to bring it to 14. Okay, so what I did was I took this curve here, when I click, held, and dragged this all the way up to 12. Once I let go, I need to hold Option and bring that handle down to 14 here. That way it shrinks my curve once I get there. And that way I don't have to worry so much about missing that point. Let me get us back on track here. Hold Option, bring it down to 14, and that will adjust our curve to then connect back to our home point. I'm going to click, hold again, and drag this down to point 16 and release. And now I have this rather unique S-curve happening here.